Hi, this is Preeti from the Kriya team, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to do two kinds of hair oiling that we advise at Kriya. Why is hair oiling so essential? Every single day we use our eyes and our brain continuously to do our work, to think, to process signals and inputs from the world, and to collate, analyze and think about the things that we hear and see every day. Traditional medicine tells us that with this activity of the eye and the brain, we generate energy from both Pitta dosha and Vata dosha. And this needs to be calmed down every single day to ensure that the eyes and the brain are kept in optimal health. If we let go of this excess Pitta and Vata energy that we are generating every day by the activity of our eyes and our brain, then we set ourselves up for many problems, and those are not just hair problems. We also tend to experience anxiety, stress, we have anger management issues of focus, sometimes migraine and cluster headache. And of course, we also set ourselves up for regular hair problems like hair graying, hair thinning, hair dryness, frizziness and hair fall. So when we oil the hair regularly, we work on both the eye and the brain, and also our mental state, and then also the hair. So when we oil our hair regularly, we are calmer, we are less anxious, we are more focused, we do not develop headaches easily, our eyes do not have fatigue, they are not strained easily, and we feel much more balanced. And at the level of the hair, regular head oiling stimulates good quality hair growth. The hair is thicker, longer, stronger and firmer. It does not break easily. We retain the natural color, it does not gray quickly, and we have reduced hair fall. So at Kriya, we advocate two types of hair oiling. One is leave-on hair oiling and the other one is wash-off hair oiling. Start with just a quarter teaspoon of your favorite Ayurvedic hair oil. Warm it well on your fingertips or your palms and massage it into your scalp. For leave-on head oiling, we only focus on the scalp and not the hair. Do this in the morning before your bath. Make sure you do not wash off the oil and you leave it on. Only when you leave on hair oil this way does it help balance the excess Pitta and Vata energy that we are generating. Hair and scalp are both intelligent entities. So some parts of the year or in some seasons you might need a little bit more oil. Sometimes you may need a little less oil. So adjust your oil quantity by checking how your scalp feels. For example, in winter, when the air is drier, your scalp might need a little bit more oil. When we have stressful times during difficult deadlines, we use our eye and our brain much more and we generate much more Pitta and Vata. So your scalp at these times need a little bit more oil than usual to help calm down the head. The second type of hair oiling we recommend at Kriya is wash-off hair oiling. This is ideally done 2 hours before you wash your hair, and we recommend that you wash your hair only twice a week. This is done on the hair and not necessarily the scalp. But that doesn't mean you mustn't oil the scalp, but the whole focus of this oiling is the hair. Oiling your hair 1 to 2 hours before your hair wash protects your hair from being overstripped of protective oils during your shower. This also protects hair from hard water damage and ensures that the cuticular structure remains intact during the process of washing it. Dry washing of hair, that means washing unoiled hair, should never be done. This weakens the hair progressively even if you use a completely natural hair wash like the Kriya hair wash. For your wash-off oiling, take 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil and warm it well in your palms. Use a small amount of oil to apply on the top of your head to cover the hair strands. Work your way down the length of your hair, covering the hair strands well with a thin coating of oil. Scalp oiling is done at a very minimal level here because the focus here is on simply coating the hair strand well with a thin layer of oil as a protective layer. Finish your wash-off oiling by using a white-toothed comb to detangle the hair and evenly distribute the oil through the hair length. Follow up with your Kriya hair mask or proceed to wash your hair 2 hours later. Sometimes we are asked if overnight hair oiling does the trick before a hair wash, and this is a practice that many people have. But this does not serve the purpose of wash-off oiling because when we oil our hair overnight, most of the oil in the hair strand gets absorbed by your pillow. So for proper protection of your hair during your wash, your hair should be oiled maximum 2 hours before your hair wash. Hope in this video we were able to explain why regular hair oiling is so important, not just for the hair but also for the maintenance and health of the eyes and the brain. At Kriya, we have a wide range of hair oils which have been formulated for different hair concerns and hair needs. If you would like us to suggest a customized set of hair oils or a hair care routine for you, please do email us. The email ID has been given in the description box below, or send us a message on our WhatsApp number. If you like the content you see here, please do show us some love by sharing it with your friends and leaving your comments below. Do also let us know the kind of content you would like us to produce. We look forward to your comments. Thank you for watching this video.